Hello everyone! Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube growth and creator tutorials. If you're looking for free, copyright-safe music and sound effects, YouTube Studio Audio Library is one of the best tools available for creators. Let's go step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign in to your YouTube channel. From the left-hand menu, click on Audio Library. This is YouTube's official music library, and everything here is safe to use on YouTube. Once inside, you'll see two main sections, music and sound effects. In the music section, you can browse hundreds of tracks. You can filter music by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and even by whether attribution is required or not. This makes it easy to find the perfect background music for your video. When you find a track you like, click the play button to preview it. If it fits your video, click Download to save the file to your computer. Some tracks require attribution. If attribution is required, YouTube will show the text you need to copy and paste into your video description. Always do this to avoid copyright problems. Now let's talk about sound effects. In the Sound Effects tab, you'll find short audio clips like clicks, transitions, whooshes, notifications, and ambient sounds. These are perfect for edits, intros, and transitions. You can preview sound effects the same way and download them with one click. After downloading, simply import the audio file into your video editor and place it where it fits best in your timeline. Pro tip: lower your background music volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. A good balance keeps your video professional and easy to listen to. Another important point: all audio in the YouTube Studio Audio Library is free to use, even on monetized videos. You don't need to worry about copyright strikes if you follow the attribution rules. That's it! Now you know how to use YouTube Studio Audio Library to add free music and sound effects to your videos. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment Audio Library below.